Hi guys, time for another paper aeroplane from the complete book of paper aeroplanes by David Woodruff. Thought I'd have a change today. I do get questions about making planes or gliders from cardboard, so I got the packaging from the pizza we had, so I'm going to use that instead of paper. Well, it's only fairly thin card. It will make it significantly heavier, so I was looking for one that would be fairly simple to fold, so I've stepped forwards a bit here. I'm going to do this one, Hawk Moth Flyer. I've only chosen it because it looks like it's not got too many folds in it. Now, first problem is, how do we transfer those sizes to something like this? And I've decided I'll cut it open for a start. That might make life a bit easier. Obviously you could use a sharp knife if you wanted. Okay, where's the join? There's the join. I think a sharp knife would have been much easier. I'm just aware that some people don't like to use knives. Right, okay, so that's our bit of card, that's our bit of paper, and if we measure our dimensions there, it's about 16.5 millimeters, 16.5, and lengthways 23. And what we've got available here, if we go between, how about inches? We could call it 9 3/4, so 9.75. We need to convert we need to know how long we want it. I'm making life sound difficult. So 16.5 over 23, or no, sorry, 9.75 over 20 over, oh, start again, Grandad. 9, getting all confused. Start again. 9.75 over 16.5, because we know the 16.5, 9.75, where'd you get that? Oh, that's inches, isn't it? Right, okay. So it's 9.75 inches is the width there, and the width there is 16.5 centimetres. And that's got to equal the bit we don't know, the length there, x, over 23. Now, it's a long time since I've done this, but I do know that if I multiply both sides by 23, so make that 23 times that, then we can cross out the 23 there. So if we get our calculator out, if my phone's going to play, because I can't do that in my head. Calculator. So we want clear everything. 23 times 9.75 equals 224.25. Don't think we need to be that accurate. And then we need to divide that by 16.5. So divide 16.5 equals 13.59. So, yeah, okay, Grandad. So if it's going to be 9.75 inches wide, it needs to be 13.5 inches tall. Did I say centimetres? Just looking for a straight edge to start on. So start down here. So it's got to be 13.59. I think we can call that 13.6. So from that line there up to that line there, 13.6 up to there. So that's going to be, I need to trim that straight, cut that, and that's going to be our piece of paper. And I'm going to use a knife. I'm fed up with trying to use scissors. Straighten that off. I made a real mess of it. So this is going to be heavier than it should be. But it will be slightly bigger than it should be. So it'll have more lifting area. But I still think we're going to struggle to get it to fly. So, with printed side up, fold it in half. Okay, flip it over so printed side is down and fold down the top. Ah, right, we need to know. Oh no, I'm going to have to do the maths again. That was 6 out of 23. Oh dear. 6/23. We got 13.6. Oh dear, Grandad. Trying to make life difficult for yourself. calculator again. So multiply that by 13.6. 13.6 times 6 is 81.6, and divide that by 23. 3.54 inches. 3.5. Yeah. That's a shame it didn't just happen to line up with one of those existing folds. Right, so that's our fold line. Give it a little bit of help on where it's going to fold. All right. Then fold from there down to, oh, another measurement. 3.2. So this time it's 3.2 over 23 times 13.6. 3.2 times 13.6 divided by 23, 1.89. So 1.8, it's about 1.9, isn't it? Let's be honest. Let's call that 1.9. And that's got to fold down to there, and there. That's a letter opener, it's not a knife, it's not particularly sharp. I'm using it to score the surface. So we should be able to fold along it. I don't think this was such a good idea, but we'll press ahead. That one's going to fold like that. That one's going to fold like that. Right, so we fold that to there. Fold that to there. Because it's so thick it's going out of line. Fold the top down to that point there. Yeah, okay. This is, oh dear me, we have got a bit too thick. I don't think there's any way I'm going to do this. Bad idea, Grandad, bad idea. Pull that out. No way that's going to work. I'm supposed to fold that bit into there. Oh dear me. Right, now we're supposed to just sort of fold this. Nah, it's not going to work. Still, Grandad's doing it, so you don't have to. You'll know it's not a good idea. No way I'm going to get another fold in there where I'm supposed to put it. It's going to have to go right up there. No, it's not going to work. Right, yeah, that's going to fly like a brick, I should think. We will try it, but yeah, not quite what I'd hoped for, but it's just so thick by the time you put a few folds in it that you just cannot. Yeah, well, we'll try it. I don't think we'll be throwing this one at the camera. This is pretty heavy. We'll just see whether it'll fly at all. That wasn't very convincing. Well, let's be honest, it was pretty rubbish. So don't try making it from pizza tray or pizza packaging. It's just too heavy. You can't do all the folds to make it fold up. So we did get some flights out of it, and I will edit it to make it look good, but it was rubbish really. I'll have to try it with proper normal paper instead. Summary: it was rubbish. Not the design, the idea of trying to make it out of card from my pizza packaging. It's just too thick to get the folds in, so I couldn't, well, I got all the folds in, but as you can see it's all breaking up. So the message is, yeah, don't bother. That wasn't a good idea. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.